What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Fuck Love by XXXTentacion. Once you guys get done with the video, check the description below. I left a lot of really useful links there for you guys. My personal email address is there in case you guys need to get in touch with me. I've also left links to my personal music is down there as well in case you guys want to check that out. There's a lot of other really useful links for beginner guitar tutorials and just things that you guys can look at to help better your guitar skills and help you advance in your guitar playing. And then when I get a link to my Patreon, that'll be down there as well. For now, let's jump into the video. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is only using 3 chords. We're doing F major, E minor, A minor. You're gonna have a capo on your 3rd fret. So the way that I play my F major is you're gonna do your ring finger on your A string, pinky finger on your D string, both on the 3rd fret. Then you're gonna have your middle finger on the 2nd fret on your G string, and then your index finger on your 1st fret on your B string. And now I also kind of use my thumb to just lay on the low E there so it doesn't play, because if that plays it's going to give this really like kind of a dissonant sound. But you can let that high E play. Since the low E is a lot lower, it sounds a little bit weird and wacky, but if the high E plays it doesn't really sound that weird. It kind of gives it a cool little dissonance. So that's how I play that. Then when you jump to your E minor, you're just doing your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, then your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. And your A minor, you take both of those fingers and just move them up 2 strings. So that's going to put your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your D string where your ring finger just was, and then your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. And then you're going to put your index finger right back on that B string on the 1st fret. Now you can kind of strum this any way that you want, or you can finger pick it if you're a little bit more of an intermediate or advanced player. I will give you a simple strumming pattern the way that I play it. So I play down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'll do that for you one more time. I'll slow it down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now I'm switching from that E minor to my A minor on that up strum. So watch that again. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, E minor, down, down, up, A minor, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Another super simple song. It's just those 3 chords played over and over again throughout the entire song. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, or any other songs that you'd like me to do, just leave those in the comment section below. Again, my Patreon page will be up shortly. Once it is, that link will be down in the description as well. We'll see you guys in the next video.